improper integral, uh, type 2, example number 1. Suppose we have this given problem. Find the value, if it exists, of the improper integral from 0 to 2 of 5x squared dx. So as you can see, we can say that if we're going to get the given function there, we can say that f of x, which is equal to 5 over x squared, that is the given above, okay, the given above. So if we're going to trace it in x is equal to 0, we can say that this will be undefined. Okay, this will be undefined because of course that will become 5 all over 0. So with that, we consider this one as type 2 improper integral. So what we will do is we're going to change the limit, which is 0. We're going to change it to x so that we will be able to compute this given improper integral. Suppose this becomes improper integral from x to 2 of 5 over x squared dx. Okay, 5 over x squared dx. Let's proceed. Let's try to integrate now. But before that, we need to rewrite this one first. Okay, let's rewrite. So this will be from x to 2 of 5x raised to negative 2. So we're going to integrate this one. So that becomes integration of x raised to negative 2. So that will be negative 2 plus 1. It will give us negative 1. So that becomes 5x raised to negative 1 over negative 1. So only that. So the limits will be from x to 2. Okay, the limits will be from x to 2. So we're going to simplify this. We're going to simplify. We can have, okay, let's change other color. So we're going to simplify this. We're going to have negative 5 all over x from 2 to x. Apply f of b minus f of a. So this will yield to negative 5 all over 2 minus negative 5 all over the x. Okay, so that are the two limits that we had. Now simplify. So as always, positive written on the first. So this will be 5 over x minus 5 over 2. That will be 5 over x minus 5 over 2. Now, based on the statement that we started on the top, we can say that as x, because we substituted x to 0, right? So we can say that as x approaches to 0, so 5 over x tends to infinity. Okay, it tends to infinity. So since the 5 over x tends to infinity, we can therefore, so we can just say that the improper integral from 0 to 2 of 5 over x squared dx is really undefined. Okay, so this is really undefined.